Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we have this Samsung S21 Ultra 5G and we are about to do a board swap on the phone. One of the phone panel is gone and the other one is working, but the screen is not good. So guys, instead of changing the screen, the best idea is to do the board swap. Remove the board from this one and insert on this one, since they are the same. So guys, let's go ahead and loosen all these nuts. So guys, we are done removing the nuts. Now the first board is out. This is the board that is not good, so we have to remove the second one and then replace it on this one. Now the second board is out. Now it's time to replace it on the good screen. Here we go. And guys, while doing this, you have to be very careful. Take your time. Do not rush your work. Make sure you insert every single clip. Make sure everything is okay. Now we're about to remove the battery from the good battery, because the other one's battery has been replaced before, so it's not a follow-com. So we have to replace the follow-com battery to this board, so that everything will be as good as new. Make sure you clip every single flex. Now let's charge it and see. Guys, you see it's charging, which means the screen is good. Now let's close it up. So guys, we've closed it up. Now let's test the phone and see. It is on. It is on. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. And that's it, guys. The Samsung phone is back. So it's as easy as this. So guys, do what to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channels. that enables us to do more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and very soon guys we'll start our online class, so you bear with us. Thank you and peace.